In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to generate an image with PicLumen. So currently we're on PicLumen.com and we are under the Create tab. When you click on the Create tab, you will find yourself on this page. Now there are several options we need to take note of before creating an image. The first is a style setting. So here you can see we're currently on PicLumen Realistic V2. And when we click on the drop down, you can see PicLumen Anime V2, PicLumen Line Art V1, Pony Diffusion V6, and Flux.1 Schnell. Now, the PicLumen Realistic V2 is what we'll be using, but you can go ahead and use any other one you'd like. The next thing you need to take note of is the aspect ratio. We're going to click on it because it's a drop down and there are several or all the common options you can find or you might want. You have the 16:9 or 9:16, which is either landscape or portrait. We could go ahead and select 16:9. And the next option here is to select the number of variants you might want to have. For example, when we select a prompt and we click on 2, this will automatically create 2 images using the same prompt which we have given it. So we could select 2. And then right here is where you're going to put in your prompt. And right now we have a very simple prompt, a modern flying car over a lake. So with these settings, all you need to do is to click on generate. And we're currently on the queue and it says it will be fast. Now this is saying fast because depending on the usage on the server, you might be waiting for longer. But in this case, we can expect our pictures to generate in no time. And now we'll wait for our images to generate. And then right here, you have the images generated, and you have 3 options when you go over the image or you hover over it. You have the option to delete it if you don't like it. You also have the option to bookmark it. And lastly, you have the option to download it. There are 2 options for download. You can use the JPEG or the PNG. We're going to go with PNG. And right here, you can see the PicLumen file downloaded. And there you have it. We've just generated a modern flying car over a lake. One more thing we could do is to click on the picture. And then right here, you have some details about this picture. You can see the seed number, the guidance scale, the resolution, and you could also make some edits on this image, such as remixing it, removing the background, upscaling it. And there are more options such as varying this image, taking it to in-paint, colorize, or expanding this image. So there are lots of options which you can use to get that final touch on your picture or your generated image. If you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.